To get started with creating buttons that will run your macros, first click on the Developer tab, and for our demonstration we have already created two macros. As you can see, our macros are called Testing 1 and Testing 2. Click the Insert command drop-down in the Controls group of the Developer tab. Select the Button command in the Form Controls group of the drop-down. Pick where you'd like to draw your button, then left-click and hold, draw your button out, and when you're done, release. And this will make the macro dialog box appear. Select the macro you'd like to run with the button that you just created. Then click the OK button. To change the text, click on the button, drag select all the text, and type the new text in your button. To test your button, select a cell where you want to run your macro, then click on your button, and your macro will run. Every time you want to run that macro, select a cell, click the button. To create additional buttons, follow the same steps. Click your new macro button to run the second macro, and you have successfully added database-like buttons to your Excel workbooks.